Hi dear students, now we shall start the fourth question. In the figure, QR divided by QS is equal to QT by PR and angle 1 equal to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. So you see the diagram. In this diagram, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is given. Now here, the sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. We know that condition. So by using that condition, I can say it as QP is equal to PR. I can write it. Since angle 1 is equal to angle 2, what I can write? QP is equals to PR, because the sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. So QP is equal to PR I written. Now let us take the given condition. Given, what is that? QR divided by QS is equal to QT divided by PR. Okay. Now let us use this condition here. QR divided by QS is equals to QT divided by, in place of PR I can write what? QP. And now you see this in the diagram. QR by QS. QR divided by QS. QT by QT divided by QP. Now here I want a triangle PQS. PQS, this triangle. And another triangle is what? TQR. Is said to be what? Similar. Okay. Now QR divided by QS. QR divided by QS. QR is the side of the triangle TQR and QS is the side of the triangle PQS. Okay. So corresponding one side are proportional. Another side you can take QT by QP. QT divided by QP. Okay. Another sides of triangle TQR is nothing but QT. For the triangle PQS, PQ. Now S, by using SAS similarity criterion, I can say that these two triangles PQS is similar to TQR. SAS is nothing but what? Two sides must be proportional. Okay, two sides of corresponding sides of the two corresponding sides of triangles. And another one is angle, middle of the SAS. Between the two sides, there must be angle. That is, angle Q is equal for both the triangles. So now here, and angle 1 means RQP. Angle RPT is equals to another one is SQP. SQP. Now, by using SAS, what I can write? SQP. So here PQS they given PQS triangle PQS similar to what is that? TQR. So this is triangle TQR because SAS similarity criterion. SAS similarity criterion. Okay, so this is the reason I must write it. Now for the angle P, there must be T. So angle P, angle T. For angle Q, I must write angle Q. Okay, because I written here. So RPT. Oh, I written wrong. I think here RPT. R, not PT. QT it is. So instead of P, you take this as what? Q. So for the angle Q, both are equal. So I have taken QQ. Okay. Because of SAS similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. Okay. Hence you proved it. Okay. This is how we can solve it. This is very important because the sides opposite to the equal angles are equal. Otherwise, converse also you can say, reverse also you can say what? The angles opposite to the equal sides are also equal. Okay. So it is converse is also true. Next, fifth question. S and T are the points on the sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to RTS, angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. So let us take the triangle PQR first. I will take the triangle PQR. So this is PQ and this is R. Now here, S and T are the points on sides PR and QR. So on PR there is a point S. On QR there is a point T. On QR there is a point T. For QR it is T. For PR it is S. PR it is S. Now angle P is equal to angle RTS. Angle P is equal to RTS. RTS. So let us join TS first. So this is TS. RTS is equal to angle P. Next, show that triangle RPQ. RPQ. So this triangle similar to RTS. RTS. So this triangle and this triangle both are similar. We have to prove. Now here, to say this triangle and this triangle similar, either there must be SAS or AA or okay. In these two you can get here AA similarity criterion you can use. Why? Because here they said that angle T is equal to angle P. Angle T is nothing but in RTS. For the triangle RTS there is one angle RTS. For the triangle PQR there is angle P. These two are equal. Okay, these two are equal. So another one angle I want. Which angle it is? Another angle is common here. So this angle is what? Common angle. That is RTS. It is the angle for the triangle RTS. As well as this R is angle for another triangle. That is RQP. So by using a AA similarity criterion, so these two triangles are similar, I can say. Okay. Now here, given that first one, what is that? Given QPR, angle P. So angle QPR is equal to RTS. RTS. One condition I got. So another angle. So this angle is common for both the triangles. Angle R is common for both the triangles. Which are those? RTS as well as RPQ. Now angle R, not RTS, TRS. TRS is equal to angle. TRS is equal to QRP. QRP. So this is common for both the triangles. This is what common angle I will write. Okay. So I got two angles. By using AA similarity criterion, I can say that these two triangles are similar. So which triangle those are? RPQ. See here, for the angle R, so there must be another angle R. RPQ. Similar to RPQ. Again another triangle RTS. For this I have to take R only first, because angle R of this triangle is equal to angle R of this triangle. For R I must write R here. Then for the angle P, for this angle which is equal. So for angle P, T is equal. Therefore I must write for P I must write what? T. RT. Then remaining is what? S. I have to write the condition again. Why? Because AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. Okay. By using any similarity criterions, I have to prove that triangles are similar. Okay. Next question. In the figure, if triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD, ABE congruent to ACD, show that triangle ADE is similar to ABC. Triangle ADE is similar to ABC. We have to prove it. Now here, let us take the given condition first. Given is what here? Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. So by using CPCT rule, I can write AB is equal to AC, corresponding parts by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So here AB is equals to AC, I can write AB is equal to AC. And another condition also I can write. What is that? B is equal to CD. BE is equal to CD. And one more side. What is that? One more side is AE is equal to AD. AD is equal to AE. So this side is also equal, I can say. Okay. So AD is equal to AE. Now I'll write only two conditions. What is that? AD is equal to AE. So I'll take this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So this is because of CPCT rule. Okay. I have taken only 2. Okay. I don't want a third one. Means B is also equal to CD. I have not written it. Next. So here, for the triangle ADE, this triangle, concentrate on this. Which triangles those are? AD and ABC. So to say these two triangles are congruent, here I can use SAS similarity criterion because angle A is common for triangle ADE as well as triangle ABC. I got one condition, that is A. So another SS means SAS. Another two sides also I can get, means two sides also proportional. Because AD and AB I got, let us divide equation number 1 and 2. Divide equation number 1 and 2. So means AB divided by AD. AB divided by AD is equal to AC divided by AE. AC divided by AE. Now AB is the side of triangle. AB is the side of triangle ABC and AD is side of triangle ADE. So these two sides are proportional. Next, AC is the side of triangle ABC and AE is the side of triangle, so that is ADE. So again these two sides are also proportional. So SAS, by using SAS similarity criterion, I can say that these two triangles are similar. Those are ADE and ABC are similar, I can write. So 2S I got. Another one, angle A I must write. That is BAC. Angle BAC is equal to, that is DAE. DAE. So this is common angle. This is what? Common angle. Now I can say that, what I can say here? Triangle ADE. Triangle ADE is similar to triangle. For the angle A, I must take A only. A. Next for the D. So for D, I must write what? B. So because of this condition, you can see this. So A, B, C. Because of SAS similarity criterion. SAS similarity criterion. Okay, this is the reason I can give. Okay. So hence we can prove this question. Okay, hence proved. Next, seventh question. In the figure, the following figure, altitudes AD and CE. So AD and CE, altitudes is nothing but they are perpendicular to the side AB as well as CD. But median is different. Okay. So median is nothing but what? It divides or it bisects the side. So altitude is nothing but it is perpendicular to the side. So AD and CE are the altitudes of triangle ABC. ABC intersect each other. So these two are intersect with each other at the point P. So this is the point P. Then show that. So I have taken first two only. So that is first one, I will solve it now. Triangle AEP. AEP similar to CDP. CDP. So means this triangle and this triangle are similar. I have to prove. Now here. So here since these two are altitude, CE and ADR altitude, this is 90 degree and this also 90 degree. Here also, this is 90, this is also 90 degree. So I concentrate on these two triangles only. So in triangle CDP and another triangle. So CDP and another triangle AEP. What I can write? So angle AEP is equals to CDP is equal to how much? 90 degree, because they said it. Their altitudes. I got one condition. So this angle and this angle are equal. I must need two sides or another angle. By using AA similarity criterion, I can say these two triangles are similar. Otherwise, by using SAS. So here I may not get SAS. I will get AA similarity criterion, because so these two angles are equal and this angle also are equal because of vertically opposite angles. So those are what? Angle CPD is equal to APE. Angle APE because of vertically opposite angles. So these two are vertically opposite angles. Now I got two conditions. AA, by using AA similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar. So that is triangle AEP is similar to triangle. So now here for the angle A, that is C, for the angle E, so that is D, then for P it is E. So that is P only. AEP is equal to what? CDP. So this is first one. Then I will go for second one also. Now ABD is similar to what? CBE. ABD is similar to CBE. Where is that? ABD, this triangle. Then CBE. CBE, this triangle. Okay. Now, so in this one, ABD, this angle is 90 degree for this triangle, and CBE, so here is 90 degree. So I got one angle. So this angle and this angle both are equal in triangle. First one, I will take triangle ABD and another triangle, that is CBE. In these two triangles, two angles are equal. Those are in triangle ABD. So angle ADB is equal to another triangle CBE. For the triangle CBE, CEB, angle CEB is equal to how much? 90 degree, because they said it. So these two are altitudes. And now another condition also I can get. What is that? This is the common angle. Angle B is common for both the triangles. Okay, again by using AA, I can say that these two triangles are similar. So which triangle it is? Which angle it is? So for the angle ABD, I can write ABD is equal to another triangle CBE. This for this triangle, angle CBE. So these are also equal because they are common angles. So because common angle. Now by using AA similarity criterion, so therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE because of AA similarity criterion. I must write it. AA similarity criterion. Okay. So this is first and second. Let us solve third and fourth also.